How to turn off message deliver tick mark on Messenger. If any day you would like to turn off the message deliver tick mark on Messenger, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on the very Messenger application on your mobile device. You can either go to the Play Store on your mobile device and launch the Play Store on your mobile device, and after that in the Play Store you can search Messenger, and after searching Messenger there, you can just open the Messenger there, and after opening the Messenger as well, you can also launch the Messenger application like that. You have to go to the search option again and go to the option there and then search Messenger out there. After you find the option of Messenger, you have to tap on the very option of Messenger, and after tapping on the Messenger application, you have to go to the option of Open, and this way Messenger will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you can tap on the very person out there. Now one thing that you have to keep in mind is in the new settings on your mobile device, the turn off in the tick option is already done, and therefore nothing has to be do there. So this way your problem will be solved automatically. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel and do follow our channel for more this types of tech videos as well.